Hi everyone, Marissa here. I'll be your main instructor in the Airbrush Online School. What is the AOS? It's an extension of the Foxy Studio Airbrush Center, but this is in the cloud. Now everyone has the chance to be in a class with us, but from your own home. With all the comfort you can think of, your own materials and in your own time. This will also save you traveling and hotel expenses. There will also be live sessions and webinars to connect in real time with the students. We answer their questions, discuss how to solve problems, talk about materials and things related to this great tool, which is called Airbrush. We'll help you to correct mistakes and put you back on track whenever it's needed. This will build up your confidence quickly. Every step is filmed and explained slowly into detail. Learn all the secrets of the trade. The process is pretty simple. Go to the airbrushonlineschool.com, enroll in a class, watch the lessons, and then make your assignments, upload them in our support group and wait for critique and feedback. Simple as that. You can watch on demand from any device, play back or pause whenever you like. So what are you waiting for? Raise your airbrush skills to the highest level. airbrushonlineschool.com. Get creative.